So the goal of assignment 3 is really to use Excel and Tableau to answer a series of questions regarding executive compensation. The data that you're given consists of compensation information for CEOs from ExecuComp. And so it's got the CEO, their age, gender, etc., but also the salary component information. And you're also given information from Compustat, which has the detailed financial statement information, and I just picked a few. So in the first part, you're going to be looking at Tableau and try to come up with, answers to some of these questions. So let's take a look at Tableau. So here's Tableau that I've imported. So you can see ExecuComp test has been added to Tableau, and it'll tell you that it has 54 rows of information. So it's got information such as GB key, year, ticker, and it has the executive's name, their gender, as well as the components of the compensation. So salary, incentive compensation, equity compensation, other compensation, and then TDC1, which is the sum of all the other compensation. So that's total compensation. This used to be named Sheet 1, but I renamed it to ExecuComp. If you want to, you can rename it back to Sheet 1 or rename it, keep it at ExecuComp. And first thing I wanted to show you is notice the these ABC and these numbers on the left-hand side. So basically what ABC is these are strings. So it basically tells us that these are strings of words. And these are basically, numbers that we hear with the number sign. What you notice about year is the fact that year is also a number. What we can do is we can actually change the data type. So if you click on year, you can go to data type, and then you can change it to be number, date, string, boolean, etc. So year, I'm going to change it to date first. And so then if I wanted to see how TDC1 looks like per year, which is the total compensation, this is a drag and drop feature. So I just take TDC1. And this is all of the TDC1, but I want to look at it by year, so then I put it for year right over here. Let me move this right here. And then this is a chart, right? And I don't really want to have the automatic line graph. What I would prefer is the bar graph, so let me change that to bars, and I can do so from this, marks over here. What else do I know? I noticed that this is in sum, but maybe I want to know what the average is. So if I click on it, I can change the attributes, and I can change the measure, and then I'll change it to median. So now I know what the median is. Or I can change it to the mean. So this is the average. What if I wanted to look at the mean and the median side by side? Well, I can drag TDC1 over here once again. And so this, I can change it to median. And then I can look at them side by side, right? One's on top, one's on bottom. It's a little bit harder to figure out. So if I go over here on the right-hand side, right now I can have them on the same path. So for example, I can look at for the year 2000, I see the average is about 4604, and then the median is 3910. So this allows us to look at the mean and the median very, very easily.